Speak in my language of my biggest frustration as a consumer. 90% of what I buy, I live in Santa Cruz, and Santa Cruz very local. So there's not, for me to find a camera store, I've got to travel 2 hours. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to Amazon. So 90% of my equipment I buy from Amazon. And I get incredibly frustrated when I just want to see what problem is this going to solve for me? What bag is this going to fit in, right? Because I'm going on location. I need to know, is this friendly? Is there a battery? What do I need to use this product? I'll go look at, and there'll be 1 or 2 photos and they'll be blurring out of focus. So as a photographer, I'm like, so you're not taking a great photo of a product you're selling to photographers. There's problem number 1. And 2, you're not giving any information, or you give that information over here on the side, and I have to read half a novel to find out if this is going to fit in my travel bag that I have to get on a plane. And it's so easy to make that convey super quick. What is this going to be if I'm going to read it, and what is this going to be if I buy it? And it's images, and now more than ever, video content really matters. I honestly, as a consumer, I'm not speaking as a photographer now, I'm speaking the consumer that buys on Amazon. If there's not a video, I'll scroll to the next product that has a video, because I want to see this in motion. I want to know, how am I going to use this product? What problem is this going to solve in my life? And how am I going to use it?
Now, I went through school for video and photography, but I don't use it. I used to do it 20, 30 years ago, but I kind of left that business. But I still kind of set up, and I have my my tent with a little roundabout, a couple of lights that I can, just do some quick videos. But even me, I was in the business. I'm not in the business anymore. I have to think about it. Yes, you can do it. And you can absolutely do this yourself and do it for free. And there's a lot of niches that you look, there's no video on the listing at all, none of your competitors. So be the first. And sometimes you can get away with that. But if like our knife category, if you start looking at those knives now from, Dell Strung and all these other ones, they are incredible quality. And if I come out with a light tent with a roundabout showing my knife with poor lighting, not a great lens, shadows in the background, it's not gonna sell, and you have to take a look at your niche. And again, it comes down to product, it comes down to price, competition, but you can do it yourself. But like I said, even me, that was my bag. And I decide, no, I'm not touching this thing. Let somebody that's a professional that does it every day do it. I don't know, I eat my words too, because you can go back and depending on the niche, you can take that iPhone that you have and you can pretend you're a photographer or a videographer. And you could get away with it in some cases. In some cases, people do like it better, because especially with some lifestyle photos, they want that candid Instagram look, right?
Well, and everything you just said really goes back to the storyboard. So again, when we're looking at that storyboard, we're looking at, images first. What's the standard we need for Amazon for your listing? Where can we bring in some lifestyle shots that might have a model, might have and I tend to do work for a more luxury product, so we know we're speaking to someone that wants to see how this is going to be used. They want that luxury feel, so we have to have that in our lifestyle images. But then we want the candid images, like how is someone using this that just bought this product? And there's a client we worked with where we thought, okay, we're going to stage this through the storyboard. You need great images that really make this product stand out on white. So let's do that. Now let's create some really dialed in, stylized lifestyle shots that are really going to speak to the consumer that's going to drop a couple zeros to buy this product on Amazon.